Hello and welcome to AWS Certified Solution Architect course. In this video, we will discuss about databases in AWS. So, first of all, I would like to describe what is Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS. So, Amazon RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while managing time-consuming database administration tasks. So what it does, it will launch a database for you in the cloud, and that database will be served as an application to the end user, but it will be managed by Amazon. So all the patches, all the security updates that need to be done will be done by AWS, and we will be the user will be just using the database as an application. So how many types of database we have in AWS? The first one is relational database, or you can say OLTP, online transaction processing. So in relational database we have RDS, and that contains around five database: MySQL, SQL, Postgres, Oracle, and Aurora. Aurora is Amazon itself database, relational database. So that is developed by Amazon itself. And in non-relational database, we have DynamoDB, and in data warehousing databases like OLAP, online analytics processing, we have Redshift. So OLTP and OLAP are just how you are going to access your database and for what purpose. So OLTP is like when we are trying to access our database for queries, like we just want to know if this user is existing, if it's existing, what are the other details, what are the in which row, which column it's existing. So all those details we can get from online transaction processing. However, OLAP is used for analytics. So, and it's mainly done by the higher business management. So they pull out the data of all the transactions or and all the activities happening in the business, and they do this to analyze the data and take out some decisions out of that data. Now let's discuss one of the well sought service of Amazon RDS, that is Elastic Cache. Elastic Cache is very important from the exam point of view. It is asked many times in the exams, and basically they ask for the function of Elastic Cache and what advantage it provides over the traditional way. So Amazon Elastic Cache is a web service that makes it easy to deploy, operate, and scale an in-memory data store or cache in the cloud. The service improves the performance of web applications by allowing you to retrieve information from fast, managed in-memory data stores instead of relying entirely on slower disk databases. So, what happens is, like, when people are querying similar things multiple times, so instead of going to the database every time, we can cache it somewhere in the cloud, and so that if the users are querying for same data, it can be retrieved from the cache without any latency. So there are two benefits of this: the data processing will be fast, the results will be given in much faster than the traditional way, and second thing is we can prevent the overloading of databases. Like, so in after using Elastic Cache, users only have to go for the data that is not frequently asked. So it will improve the database performance, as well as it will provide fast results to users. So that is the function of Elastic Cache. And Amazon Elastic Cache support two open source in-memory engines. One is Redis and other is Memcache. So Redis is a fast open source in-memory data store and cache, And Amazon Elasticache for Redis is a Redis compatible in-memory service that delivers the ease of use and power of Redis along with the availability, reliability, and performance suitable for the most demanding applications. Both single node and up to 15 shared clusters are available, enabling scalability to up to 3.55 TB of in-memory data. Elasticache for Redis is fully managed, scalable, and secure, making it an ideal candidate to power high-performance use cases such as web, mobile applications, gaming, edtech, and Internet of Things. Now the second one is Memcached. Memcached is a widely adopted memory object caching system. Elasticache is protocol compliant with Memcache, so popular tools that you use today with existing Memcache environments will work seamlessly with the service. Amazon Elasticache automatically detects and replaces failed nodes, reducing the overhead associated with self-managed infrastructures and provide a resilient system that mitigates the risk of overloaded databases, which slow website and application load times. Through integration with Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon Elasticache provides enhanced visibility into key performance metrics associated with your Redis or Memcache nodes. The benefits of using Elasticache is extreme performance, secure and hardened, Redis and Memcache compatibility, easy scalability, highly available and reliable environment, and it's fully managed by mm, Amazon. So you don't need to worry much about the infrastructure. You can just use it as an application. So there is one question that comes most of the times in exam is like, what is the difference between DynamoDB and MongoDB? So these both are non-relational databases, and DynamoDB is slightly different to my MongoDB, and the main difference is you can't have embedded data structures. So that is one thing we have to remember because it may come in the exam. And I hope you're aware of what is relational and non-relational databases. So I will just highlight the main difference here. So in relational databases, we have table, row, and fields. In non-relational database, we have collection, document, and key value pairs. So we can just compare this thing and we can get to know the differences between them. Data and analytics has become indispensable to businesses to stay competitive. Businesses use reports, dashboards, and analytics tools to extract insights from their data, monitor business performance, and support decision making. These reports, dashboards, and analytics tools are powered by data warehouses, which store data efficiently to minimize input-output and deliver query results at blazing speeds to hundreds and thousands of users concurrently. So tools like Cognos, Jaspersoft, SQL Server Reporting Services, Oracle Hyperion, and SAP NetWeaver are some of the very popular tools used for data warehousing. So how does a data warehouse work? The data warehouse functions as a central repository of information coming from one or more data sources. Data flows into a data warehouse from transactional systems and other relational databases and typically includes structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. This data is processed, transformed, and ingested at a regular cadence. Users including data scientists, analysts, and decision makers access the processed data in the data warehouse through business intelligence tools, SQL clients, and spreadsheets. So this data that they have collected is used for making some business decisions which will benefit the business and increase the productivity. Amazon Redshift is the data warehousing tool for provided by Amazon. So Amazon Redshift is a fast, fully managed data warehouse that makes it simple and cost effective to analyze all your data using standard SQL and your existing business intelligence tools. It allows you to run complex analytic queries against petabytes of structured data using sophisticated query optimization, columnar storage, or high-performance local disk, and massively parallel query execution. Most results come back in seconds. With Amazon Redshift, you can start small for just $0.25 per hour with no commitments and scale out to petabytes of data for $1,000 per petabyte per year, less than a tenth of cost of traditional solutions. So it's cheap and highly available and scalable solution provided by AWS for data warehousing.